All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Woo! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Daninator channel. Today's video is going to be just totally off the wall. A while back on Instagram, I posted this picture, and it shows the filter that was in my shop vac. It's been in the shop vac for 14 years. It's pretty sad. Mostly that's reflective of my negligence to the piece of equipment. So here is the filter in question. Again, 14 years old, and this is the new filter that I bought for it. And I posted out on Instagram, change your filter in your shop vac every 14 years, whether it needs it or not. Well, and one of my buddies, Three Wheels and a Block, said, man, there's got to be a video on this, right? And I wasn't planning on doing this, but I got the idea. What if we set this thing up and hit it with a baseball bat just to see the cloud of dust that comes off of this thing?
Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this. And totally redeem yourself!
So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this thing, set it up, whack it with a bat, and see what the dust cloud looks like. So let's get to it. Alright, we made it to the field. I've got my son's batting tee right here. Got our dilapidated filter. We're going to set it up on the tee. I've got my cameras sort of set up, and we're going to take a whack at this filter with my kid's baseball bat. Then we're going to see if I can send this filter to the great shop vac in the sky and hopefully get some epic slow motion footage with the camera. So let me get this set up and we'll get right to it. It's been a long time since I swung a bat. This is either going to be the most awesome thing I've ever seen, or it's going to be a big dud. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Woo! 2, 1. Woo! 2, 1. Woo! Oh man. Alright, here we go again.
This is a Homage beat.
Alright, here we go again. Alright, here we go again. Yeah, that filter didn't fare too well. Anyway, cool. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Check out my channel. I've got all kinds of repair videos. Got some fun cherry bomb exhaust videos. You know, just a lot of cool stuff going on the channel. A lot of cool stuff coming up on the channel as well. So, if you guys just stay tuned. Should be a pretty fun year with videos. I've got some projects on the docket that I can't wait to share with you. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time.